Hey there, it's National Moscato Day. But did you know that today is also home to some of the weirdest celebrations? That's right, it's May 9th, and we're going to take a look at some of the bizarre things people do on this day. But first, let's raise a glass to National Moscato Day. This sweet wine is perfect for any occasion. Now, back to the weird stuff. Did you know that May 9th is also Lost Sock Memorial Day? It's a day to honor all the socks that have gone missing in the laundry. And how about National Butterscotch Brownie Day? I mean, who doesn't love a good brownie? But if you're feeling extra adventurous, you can celebrate National Snake Day or National Train Day. Don't worry, there's something for everyone. So, whether you're sipping on Moscato or honoring lost socks, May 9th is definitely a day worth celebrating. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun videos like this. Cheers!